Learn most common idioms with Shan. Idiom number 41. To make a long story short. To make a long story short. जिसका मतलब है खुलासे कलाम ये है कि या मुख्तसर ये है कि This idiom is used to indicate that you are providing just basic facts and information in order to reduce the length of a story. In order to reduce the length of a story. For example, to make a long story short, I cancelled the program because of financial problems. To make a long story short, I cancelled the program because of financial problems. Idiom number 42. To miss the boat. To miss the boat. जिसका मतलब है मौका हाथ से निकल जाना. मौका हाथ से निकल जाना. This means to be too slow to take advantage of an opportunity. To take advantage of an opportunity. For example, I waited too long for the book price to drop and I missed the boat. And I missed the boat. Idiom number 43. Neck of the woods. Neck of the woods. जिसका मतलब है किसी का मखसूस इलाका या एरिया. This means the area where someone comes from or the area where you are. For example, I'm surprised to see you in this neck of the woods. I'm surprised to see you in this neck of the woods. How is the weather in your neck of the woods? How is the weather in your neck of the woods? Idiom number 44. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. इसका मतलब है तकलीफ के बाद ही कामयाबी है या मेहनत के बगैर कामयाबी नहीं. This means suffering is necessary in order to achieve something. Suffering is necessary in order to achieve something. For example, my mother always says, no pain, no gain. My mother always says, no pain, no gain. Idiom number 45. Not one's cup of tea. Not one's cup of tea. जिसका मतलब है किसी चीज़ को नापसंद करना या दिलचस्पी ना लेना. This means someone doesn't like or isn't interested in something. Someone doesn't like or isn't interested in something. For example, I'm sorry, but talking too much really isn't my cup of tea. I'm sorry, but talking too much really isn't my cup of tea. Idiom number 46. On the ball. On the ball. जिसका मतलब है नई फिक्र, तरीक़ा और ट्रेंड के बारे में चौकस और आगाह रहना. It means alert to new idea, method and trend. Alert to new idea, method and trend. For example, I like hanging out with the old people. I like hanging out with the old people. It keeps me on the ball. It keeps me on the ball. मैं अपनी आगाही के लिए उम्रदराज लोगों के साथ वक्त गुजारना पसंद करता हूँ. If you want to succeed, you need to be on the ball. If you want to succeed, you need to be on the ball. अगर आप कामयाब होना चाहते हैं तो आपको चौकस रहना होगा. Idiom number 47. On thin ice. On thin ice. जिसका मतलब है ख़तरनाक सूरत हाल में होना या नाजुक मोड़ पे होना. यानी अगर अब कोई गलती हुई तो मामला बिगड़ सकता है. ऐसी हालत में इस इडियम को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. This means on probation. If you make another mistake, there will be trouble. For example, I'm on thin ice after my behavior at the office party. I'm on thin ice after my behavior at the office party. ऑफिस पार्टी पर मैं अपने रवैये के बाद नाजुक मोड़ पे हूँ. Be careful, you are on thin ice. Be careful, you are on thin ice. मुहतात रहें, आप नाजुक मोड़ पे हैं. Idiom number 48. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. जिसका मतलब है कभी कभार. This means rarely or very infrequently. Very infrequently. For example, I only go to the village once in a blue moon. But when I do go, I really enjoy it. कभी कभार अपने गांव जाता हूँ, लेकिन जब भी जाता हूँ बड़ा लुत्फ़ उठाता हूँ. My parents live in the village. My parents live in the village, so I only see them once in a blue moon. So I only see them once in a blue moon. But we must go often. But we must go often. Idiom number 49. Out of someone's league. Out of someone's league. जिसका मतलब है पहुंच से बाहर या हद से ज़्यादा. This means too good or expensive for someone to have. Too good or expensive for someone to have. For example, he is highly intelligent and so active in his work that I feel he is out of my league. That I feel he is out of my league. वो बहुत अक्लमंद और अपने काम में बहुत मुतहर्रिक है, मुझे लगता है कि वो मेरी लीग से बाहर है. Idiom number 50. To play devil's advocate. To play devil's advocate. जिसका मतलब है बहस व मुबाहिसा को बढ़ावा देना या तूल देना. This means to argue the opposite. To argue the opposite. Just for the sake of argument. Just for the sake of argument. For example, I don't want to play devil's advocate. I don't want to play devil's advocate. But are you really going to waste your time? But are you really going to waste your time? मैं बहस मुबाहिसा में नहीं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन क्या आप वाकई अपना वक्त बर्बाद कर रहे हैं? I don't really believe all that. I don't really believe all that. I was just playing devil's advocate. I was just playing devil's advocate. For more idioms and grammar lessons, subscribe my YouTube channel English with Shan. Thank you very much. With next video, see you again inshallah.